This entire video was edited in After Effects. This is Railcut. It's a tool I've built that brings a real track-based editing timeline to After Effects. It translates your After Effects layers to clips on tracks. You can drag assets from the project panel directly onto the timeline. Use a variety of methods for editing: cut, ripple, lift, extract, close a gap, and more. You'll see accurate clip thumbnails and audio waveforms, complete with the keyframe editability that you're used to. Railcut even has a full suite of keyboard shortcuts from other editing apps, and they're all completely customizable. Historically, After Effects hasn't been capable of real-time playback, and any changes you made to your comp required recaching the entire timeline. But After Effects and hardware have improved drastically over the years, and real-time playback is now genuinely achievable. After Effects has just never had the editing tools it needed, so I built them. Railcut is designed to allow you to edit naturally, the way you're already used to, so you can skip the round trip to Premiere, get your edit together, and move on with the rest of your project. So, go ahead, edit in After Effects.
想要吗？先截图，主页连结加 Line N 或 TG， 私信发你。